Hello guys, in this video we will see what is DirectX Error graphics device lost in Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step by understanding the graphics device lost error. Content the DirectX Error graphics device lost in Battlefield indicates that the game has unexpectedly lost communication or control over your graphics processing unit. This typically occurs when the driver crashes, becomes unstable, or encounters a critical error leading to the game being unable to render frames. Common underlying causes include outdated or corrupted graphics drivers, overheating, insufficient power supply to the aggressive overclocking, or conflicts with other software running on your system. It essentially means your graphics card stopped responding for a critical moment, forcing the game to shut down to prevent further instability. Step: basic troubleshooting and game configuration adjustments. Begin by performing fundamental troubleshooting steps. Restart your computer and the game entirely, as this can often resolve temporary glitches. Next, focus on reducing the load on your code by adjusting in-game graphics settings. Lower the resolution, texture, quality, render scaling, anti-aliasing, and other demanding visual options. Experiment with running the game in different display modes, such as full screen, exclusive, or borderless windowed mode, as one might be more stable than the other for your specific setup. Ensuring the game is updated to its latest version can also resolve known stability issues.
Step: graphics driver management. Content graphics drivers are a primary cause of this error. Your first action should be to update your drivers to the latest stable version available from NVIDIA and or Intel's official website. Do not rely solely on Windows Update for a more thorough fix. Perform a clean installation of your graphics drivers. Use a utility like Display Driver Uninstaller. Do in Windows Safe Mod to completely remove all previous driver components before installing the fresh drivers. If the latest drivers introduce instability, consider rolling back to a previous known stable driver version that you previously used without issues.
Step: addressing overheating, overclocking, and power issues. Monitor your temperatures during gameplay using tools like MSI Afterburner or who monitor excessive heat can cause the GPU to throttle or crash. Ensure your cooling system is clean and functioning correctly to prevent overheating. If you have overclocked your GPU, revert all settings to their stock frequencies, as instability from overclocking is a frequent trigger for graphics device lost errors. Additionally, an inadequate or failing power supply unit can cause the GPU to lose power during peak load, leading to this error. Close any unnecessary background applications that consume significant system resources or interfere with the game or GPU.
Step: system integrity. DirectX repair and advanced checks. If the problem persists, investigate the integrity of your operating system and DirectX installation. Run the system file checkers, scan all and deployment, image servicing and management system tools via command prompt to repair any corrupted Windows system files. Reinstall or repair your DirectX installation by downloading the DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer from Microsoft's official website, which can refresh corrupted DirectX components as a last resort. For software issues, consider a clean reinstallation of Battlefield. If all software and driver solutions fail, the issue may point to a deeper hardware problem with your GPU or PSU, which might require professional diagnosis or replacement.